May 2nd, 2020, and we're going to take a quick tour of the backyard now that all the stones are in. A little ladybug here. We're going to go up the stairs. Okay, these were the stones that were put in about 2 years ago, and got lots of rocks, Got my hosta here, got my mondo grass growing, and the rocks, instead of just throwing them away, I've been stacking them. Hopefully the girls will pick up that little tradition. Some rocks. These are stones. Got these little landscape islands everywhere here. Really windy out here today. These were existing islands I had put in 2 years ago when I got 7 tons of chopped stone. You can see my hostas are growing in different spots. Got those and those. That one over there. Coming around, I've got my hose laying out here. Been using that to water my hosta and my transplants. Now we're getting into the newer landscape islands. And if you look along here, this is my whole back edge I just did last week. That one took a while. This one was originally going to be 2 separate islands, and I joined them together, as well as that one back there. I joined those together. I think it turned out nice. Over here, we've got the play set. Finished that off a week or 2 ago, and it looks nice. I've got to get some mulch in there. Kids don't really play in there anymore. I've got to rake out or hoe out the dead grass that I round up earlier this spring. Yeah. Continuing on, this is my back stonework that I did, and this was the second to last set of islands here. Lighting isn't cooperating because it's in the shade, but that's okay. I originally had these scooping in real deep, and they're a shallower curve, so that I can get the lawnmower around that. Looks good. I've got this one that I did. This was actually the last island I did. Had some leftover stones, so I did a little decorative stacking there. I have to do something a little better for the future. And then on to these others here. Again, there's the playground. And some more of my stones that I've stacked. You can see them here, and back there. I've got to do some stacking here. Everywhere I turn, I'm finding rocks everywhere. Got my hosta growing in there. And over here, this structure. Do a quick sweep here. Look at that. This was one of the first ones I did. And it's hard to believe that was a couple years ago that I did this one. And then I did this one with the second delivery of 8 tons of stone. First one was 7 tons. The last one was 8. I had a lot of leftover stone that I put in over here on the north side of the yard. So that's it. Looking good. I think that the next task in the backyard might be to put a little dam across here and see if we can make a little pond and keep this stream from digging out any further. But this is the last video of my chopped stone work in the backyard. Signing off.